Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of generating passive income with AI. Buckle up, because we're about to fast-track through the essentials. Segment 1, Understanding Passive Income. Passive income lets you earn without constant effort. AI can play a big role in automating this process. Segment 2, AI-powered content creation. AI can produce articles, videos, and more. Quality content attracts traffic, a crucial step in your passive income journey. Segment 3, Affiliate Marketing with AI. Use AI to find and promote products relevant to your content. Earn commissions when people buy through your affiliate links. Segment 4, E-commerce and dropshipping. Set up an online store with AI-driven inventory management. Automate order processing for a hands-free e-commerce venture. Segment 5, Investment and trading bots. AI can assist in trading stocks or cryptocurrencies. Explore bots that execute trades based on market trends. Segment 6, Real estate investment. Invest in real estate through AI platforms. They help you manage property investments without the hassle. Segment 7, Setting up passive income streams. Start by creating a content plan, exploring affiliate programs, or setting up an e-commerce store. Use AI tools in each step. Segment 8, Monetizing traffic. Once you have traffic, focus on monetizing it. Drive affiliate sales, ads, or direct sales on your e-commerce platform. Segment 9, Leveraging investment bots. Research and choose reliable trading or investment bots. Set your risk tolerance and let them work their magic. Segment 10, Real estate automation. Research real estate crowdfunding platforms and choose properties to invest in. AI helps manage investments remotely. Conclusion. And there you have it, a fast-paced guide to kickstart your journey toward generating passive income using AI. Don't wait, put these strategies into action on platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Shopify, Wealthfront, and Realty Mobile. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your passive income streams grow over time.